I have one more for you. Oh, I have, if you can stay for 2 weeks, I have lots more for you. When I was in the Jewish ghetto in Rome, I found a pizza man who was making egg, tuna, and artichoke pizza. Can you imagine? There it is. Today we've celebrated the egg because it's a very ancient and wonderful food product going back, well, to early man. We don't have any history. So I have made for you little quail eggs and baby corn. We've celebrated a wonderful asparagus with egg, steamed pork with salted eggs. We have pizzas. We have breads that are gorgeous, the red of the celebration of Easter, all for the egg. This is the Frugal Gourmet. I'm sorry it was so quick, but until I see you again, I bid you peace. Bye-bye.